My eyebrows are really hard to ignore, but we're really gonna try. Quick look with the Industrial 2 palette from Isamaya Beauty. So for this look, I used 3 colors and 1 brush. Rougher 21. I went in out, so I'll just repeat what I did on the other side. Starting off with this color right here. This one's called Galvanized. I put that in my inner corner, my inner eye. And I went actually higher. There's something about this palette that gives me like, you're not really supposed to be precise. So I just did that, and I took it about a third of the way in. It's going in a little bit higher, because why not? Wipe off my brush, and then I went in with Refraction, this one right here. Using the same brush, I just, to get around my eyelashes, I just continue from where that last shade stopped, and I take it most of the way down. So taking it above the bone, taking it over most of the lid, but not all the way. You can add a little more if you want. Up to you. I did put a little bit on top of that first shade just to, you know, get the colors a little blended. Like that. And then I wiped my brush off again, and then I went in with Cobalt. This shade right here. I put in the outer corner, again just blending a little bit where that last shade ended. And that is it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my mascara and eyeliner, and then I will be back. Okay, that's it for the eye look. It was actually really quick and simple once I figured out which colors I wanted to use. And I used the Hindash eyeliner and the Pat McGrath Dark Star. That's all I used for the eye look. I hope you enjoyed this, and maybe we'll do this again. Thank you.